Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Ethereum and its valuations against Bitcoin as well as the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, the last 4 weeks for Ethereum have been great. And it was just yesterday where we are talking about potential new targets for Ethereum, which would be up here where I've drawn. However, looking at how Bitcoin is very close to the 20-week moving average. The conversation now of if Bitcoin's going to come back down to the 20-week moving average has become more and more prevalent, and more prevalent than ever at this point. So what does that mean for Ethereum? Well, as I said with Bitcoin, um, the potential hit of the 20-week moving average is not it's not terrible. In fact, I think it's very welcome. However, it's also a situation for altcoins where they will pause. They will wait. They won't move. They might bleed a bit in the short term, but in a macro sense, it'll probably on the weekly sense, it'll probably just move sideways. But that's essentially the kind of situation we're in. Bitcoin, the market will pause, and then we'll see a decisive move from Bitcoin, and then we'll see what happens with altcoins. Unfortunately, we couldn't. Bitcoin couldn't wait a little longer to potentially extend this short-term rally for Ethereum to a higher valuation. That's something that I hope, but we don't always get what we want. At this point, I'm not selling my Ethereum position. I mean, I've sold some in the past few months, but or most so back in January when it was on this rally. But I'm not looking to sell any further at this point, especially with Bitcoin at the 20-week moving average. I'd like to wait and see where Bitcoin goes before I do anything like that. Mind you, Ethereum's only down 2.5%, where we see other altcoins like, uh, well, I mean, everything's down like 4% actually. Litecoin's down 5%, XRP's down 3%, um, Tezos is down 5. So the drop against Bitcoin isn't too bad, but compounded by the drop of 5% with Bitcoin, you get a pretty significant drop against the US dollar. So that's kind of the issue with Ethereum. Again, we have to wait and see, unfortunately. Ethereum's not separate from other altcoins to the effects of what Bitcoin does. Ethereum is just as vulnerable as other altcoins, maybe less vulnerable than others, but vulnerable nonetheless to the price swings of Bitcoin, and especially when Bitcoin's in proximity of the 20-week moving average. Um, the question is will Ethereum continue the rally after Bitcoin tests the 20-week moving average? So say, for example, Bitcoin comes back down to the 20-week moving average, we kind of hold it as support, and then we come back up. Well, if that is the scenario, that is great for the market, but not as great for Ethereum. Why? Because if Bitcoin starts to rally, like rally, we're going to see it bleed. We're going to see it bleed again, and this is going to be a potential problem because obviously I want my altcoin positions to increase in their Bitcoin valuation, not just their dollar valuation. And seeing that happen is probably not good. Uh, so, am I doing anything about that? Not really. I don't want to reposition my portfolio for that. I'd rather just keep it the way it is and see. And that's pretty much it, you guys. The Bulls are on pause, not on parade. And we just need to hold out and see. Mind you, if we do come back down to the 20-week moving average, I will not be increasing my Ethereum position. I'll be increasing my Bitcoin position. I have a small cash reserve that I would be looking to use if it comes back down to the 20-week moving average. You could say it's only a 10% difference, but 10%, 10%, I'll take it. And I'm fine if because another possibility is for Bitcoin just to move up from here, which it could. And I wouldn't be able to buy in at the 20-week moving average. So that's fine. I'm able to live with that. In fact, I'm pretty confident we're going to come back down to the 20-week moving average. But that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Bulls are on pause with with Ethereum, with other altcoins. The altcoin market is on pause until we see a decision from Bitcoin and a return to normalcy. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.